All right, so I get a ton of messages. Why aren't my TikTok ad spending? I've tried this, I've tried that. I duplicated my ad groups. It's still not working. Doing complete payment, all this junk, all this stuff. So many messages. People are posting online about it. So I decided I'd just make a quick video for you guys who still don't get it and don't understand. If you're new to this channel, we talk about TikTok ads, dropshipping, e-commerce, all that good stuff. So I'm not going to bullshit you. I'm not going to start talking nonsense. Let's just get straight into it and I'll tell you how to do it. So I'm going to jump on my screen right here on how to get your TikTok ads to spend today, not tomorrow, not in 3 weeks, today. So this is what you're going to do. So most people, right, they launch a complete payment ad group, right? Complete payment is purchase, if you don't know that. And typically they'll launch it at $20 to $50, right? That's pretty typical. They'll launch a new ad group on TikTok, $20 to $50. And a lot of times I like to have 2 to 3 creatives per ad group, right? 2 to 3 creatives per ad group. And a lot of people, they don't see it. They don't see it work, right? They don't see it spend on the first day. They're like, why is my money not spending? Why is this not working? Well, probably your ad account is brand new. So if it's brand new, it probably won't spend right away, especially if it's a new product too. Also, if you're running on a personal ad account, so there's a couple different ad accounts. There's personal ad accounts, there's enterprise ad accounts, and then there's agency ad accounts. I highly recommend you get an agency ad account that will be linked in the bio if you want one. It costs 2.5% of monthly ad spend, but it gets rid of most of these issues with spending. It kind of ranks you higher on the platform in regards to TikTok. So if your ads aren't spending, TikTok is going to rank you higher in that agency category. Plus, you could target a boatload of different countries here. Look at my crappy globe. A boatload of different countries that you can use, like United Kingdom, Europe, all those countries that you're not going to get in the personal if you're from the United States. And if you're from another country in Europe, you can actually advertise now to the United States with an agency account. It's really nice. But most of us will start on a personal ad account, which is totally fine as well. So we'll launch. Coming back to this, right? Say we have a complete payment ad group, right? One complete payment ad group. Even I've seen people duplicate it, so they'll dupe that complete payment ad group a couple times just to try to get the spend, and it still doesn't work. So what you want to do is you want to optimize for lower funnel events here. So by lower funnel events, I mean page view, right, or view content, and add to cart. So we're gonna launch one add to cart ad group at $20. This is what I normally do. And I'll show you guys, stay to the end of the video. I'll show you what it looks like inside the TikTok dashboard. But we'll launch an ad to cart or page view ad group at $20 with those same 2 to 3 creatives that we would in the complete payment ad groups. But instead, we're optimizing for add to cart or page view. So that way, we'll let it go. We'll have it spend. And I don't like to do so any of these ad groups that I'm launching with either complete payment or add to cart. I'm always doing day parting from 9 to 24 UTC, right? That's what it looks like on TikTok. So 9 to 24 UTC, which is 9 to 12 a.m. in this case, 12 a.m. Reason being is a lot of your spend, you don't want it just junk spend in the middle of the night from say 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. A lot of times people are just getting up. They're not really in the buying mood. Also, who the hell is going to buy your product at 4 a.m.? A lot of people aren't really up during that time. And what I've seen, you could get cheaper CPMs and CPCs, but the conversion rate is just not there. Let alone on TikTok, it's much lower than other platforms, but all the other metrics are lower. I digress. But right, day parting, we have one add to cart ad group, right? And then the rest can be complete payment. So we can have 3 to 4 here. Let me clear this screen out for you guys. We can have 3 to 4. Man, I got to figure out how to make this eraser better. I don't use this much. But we have that, complete payment ad group. And now we have another one optimizing for add to cart. So in total, one add to cart ad group, and then I'll have 3 complete payment ad groups, right? 3 of these complete payment ad groups ranging from $20 to $50 each with 2 to 3 creatives, all the same creatives and text. But instead, I'll keep this in the same campaign too to make sure that it starts spending. So 1 add to cart optimization, 3 complete payment optimizations, and this is how I break it down on my targeting. I'll go 1 super broad, 1 with the recommend interests that TikTok gives us. Those interests are basically just TikTok recommends them on the screen. You'll see what I mean when you open the ad groups and you look at the dashboard. The other one that I like to launch is I'll do another broad at cost cap or manual bid. Right? Cost cap or manual bid. So I do this because it just switches up the testing, right? And the way to get to spend. Everything else, right, is lowest cost though. So these are lowest cost. Lowest cost is bidding, by the way. And the add to cart one is also lowest cost. So everything is lowest cost here besides this broad ad group with cost cap in the 3 complete payments. But this should get your spend to start moving on your ad account, especially if you have an agency account. Those are huge. I only scale and test on agency accounts, by the way. So that's just my personal preference, my personal opinion. And for this add to cart campaign, you might have a couple questions like, how long do I keep it running? And that's different, right, for every ad account. But if it's profitable, say if it's making you money and you're getting a lot of add to carts and your ROAS is, pretty solid, what I recommend is just let it spend. Keep it active, and don't really worry about it. If it's not profitable, kill it, and your complete payments are and it causes this to start spending more, just turn this add to cart off, but keep your complete payments on. Hopefully that makes sense. If you need to rewatch this video, go ahead and hopefully understand it a bit better. Right now, I'll show you live on what this setup would be if I just launched an ad account today. We'll take a look at it here. This is what it looks like on an ad account level. So you can see here, this is today. I just launched these ad groups. I'll do USA plus Canada targeting. 1 ad group is $20, right? That's the add to cart one that we launched. Another one is complete payment broad. Another one complete payment with interest, and then another one, like we said, complete payment manual cost cap at a little higher budget, just to get that cost cap to spend a bit. And if the cost cap doesn't start spending, I'll raise it throughout the day. Maybe I'll even raise it like $5-10 just to see if it would start spending. But this is on a brand new ad account, brand new agency account, on how to get our ad groups on TikTok to start spending. Hopefully this video was informative to you. There was no, crap in this video. It was all straight to the point. So I hope you guys appreciate that. And if you got any value, like the video, subscribe. It pushes me to make more videos like this. We're constantly going over more TikTok strategy. If you did like this video, comment below if you did or not, because I'll just keep making more videos like this. Pushes me. I mean, I do have a private group. We talk a ton in there. We do have a private even TikTok Academy for this. The link is in the bio for that. There's so many different things. Also, you can follow me on Twitter at TMurphOfficial. I drop so many threads on TikTok and everything like that. So if you want more info about TikTok ads, anything in e-com or anything of that nature, make sure to follow up with this. And again, hopefully this video was informative to you and gets your TikTok ads to spend. I'll see you guys in the next video.
How many millions did I make this year? Maybe 12. All I need's a couple weeks to make it 13. Me, I can stay in touch and still be out of your reach.